Good afternoon, MCC Roadrunners. Today we're going to be doing a quick and brief scholarship tutorial to walk you through the scholarship application process. First, you're going to want to log on to www.morgancc.edu/money. That is going to take you to the financial aid landing page. Once you're there, you're going to click on Search and Apply for Foundation Scholarships underneath the MCC Foundation Scholarship. The MCC Foundation General Scholarship application is one application that auto-matches you to nearly 50 different scholarship opportunities, as you can see here. So the one application does auto-match you based on eligibility to several different scholarship opportunities. Please go ahead and on the top right-hand corner, you're going to click on Sign Up and create an account. Please note that it is imperative that you already have submitted an MCC admissions application. So once you click on Sign Up, it's going to bring you to the field where you can create your account. You are going to want to go ahead and put in your email address. And many of you will not have a student email address already generated, so it is okay to use your personal email. However, again, you must have already submitted an application to MCC for admissions. Create your password. It must be 12 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, in addition to a number as well as a special character. Once you have created your account, the system is going to send you a confirmation link to your email on file. Go ahead and click that link and you will be taken directly into the scholarship application. Okay, so once you have been taken into the scholarship application, the questions are pretty self-explanatory. Your phone number, which semesters that you're going to be enrolling for the upcoming academic year. However, there is one item to note in reference to this question. If you are a brand new spring-only student, we do also want you to complete this for the current semester. So if, again, you are a brand new spring-only student and just starting out at MCC, please go ahead and indicate that you are a spring-only student in addition to the fall, spring, and summer, which is selected here. We want to capture that information as well, that you are a new student. The remaining of the questions are, again, as I mentioned, pretty self-explanatory. However, there are a couple of questions here relating to the foster care system in addition to juvenile justice youth system. Please know that those responses are kept confidential and that information will go nowhere. So do feel safe and comfortable to go ahead and answer those questions open and honestly. Next, you're going to come down to your academic goals. Please indicate which degree that you are seeking in addition to the concentration or designation of your degree and or certificate. Following all of these questions, you're going to be asked to include any awards that you have received. Those can be both through your school years, whether that was through high school. You can also list any awards that were received during employment. For example, let's say you received the Employee of the Month award. Go ahead and indicate that in these spaces provided. If you have more than one award that you would like to notify us about, go ahead and click on the right-hand corner that says Add Another Answer. That will open up a new field and you'll be able to include that information there. The next segment is in relation to volunteerism. We do want to know any volunteer work that you've done, even if it's been within the past 10 years. Our donors really are interested in learning about our students and would like to know if you have completed any volunteer work. Please indicate the organization that you worked for, in addition to the job responsibilities and duties that you performed while you were volunteering. If you are currently still volunteering at this time, go ahead and leave that field blank. And again, similar to your awards, if you have more than one response, go ahead and click on this link here, and that will populate another field for you to go ahead and include those responses. The next segment is related to employment information. We do want to know if you're employed, and if you are not, that does not demerit any points against you. However, we do like to get a holistic view of the individual and the student that is applying for scholarships. So the more information that you can provide a donor with, it allows them the opportunity to get to know you better as a student and what your academic and life goals look like and achievements while you're also attending school. So please provide as much information as you can about yourself. Next, you are going to want to ask someone for a letter of recommendation. This can be a school counselor, previous employer, someone that knows you really well within your community, whether that's at your church organization and so forth. However, please do not ask a friend or family member. We do ask that it be somebody in a professional basis. Once you have asked that individual for their letter of recommendation, you do want to get their email address because you will insert that into this space here. This is already filled out to some degree, and we've requested that John Smith complete a letter of recommendation. But you will have two separate fields, one indicating the individual's name and the other field indicating their email address. The system will automatically generate an email to that individual, and they will go through the same process of setting up an account just as you did when you began the scholarship application. Next, you have the essay. We do want you to respond to the 3 questions in 300 to 500 words. The first question is, what are your life goals and educational plans? The second question is, how do you plan to finance your education? And lastly, why are you deserving of a scholarship opportunity? This is your opportunity to sell yourself to the reader and make yourself shine, so don't hold back. However, please complete those questions and responses within 300 to 500 words. For those of you that have been attending college this last semester, that you can do in your sleep at this point, so have no worries. Once you're done with your essay, go ahead and copy and paste it. I would recommend or suggest that you do it in a Word document and then go ahead and copy and paste it into the database here. Lastly, the consent for release of student financial aid form in addition to the media release. The consent form is a fillable PDF. Please go ahead and download that and complete it in its entirety and upload it back to the system. Same with the media release. However, you do not have to give consent for the media release, but we do like to highlight all of our scholarship recipients at the beginning of the fall semester so that our donors can recognize and see all of our amazing students here at MCC. If you do consent with the media release, please provide a professional and or business casual photo of yourself so that we can list your name and photo and the scholarship that you received in the Fort Morgan Times. There will be no monetary information released in the publication. It will just be your name and photo. And that is it. You have completed the scholarship application at this point in time. It takes a few minutes. If you do have any further questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to reach out to the Office of Financial Aid, or you can always contact me directly as well. My name is DeAnna Castaneda. I am your coordinator of scholarships and default management, and you can reach me at 970-542-3148. Thanks so much. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day.